Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your further October messages regarding your love life or regarding your other areas of your life. So, as you are seeing that I have already shuffled cards and spread them out, and this will be a general reading. It may resonate, you may not. Take those messages what resonates you. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So, you start your reading here. Underneath the deck, you are having three cards: King of Pentacles, uh, King of Wands, and Judgment. Here, maybe you are going to have a chance from your past person. Your past person wants to come back to you. If this relationship were dead, now your person wants to resurrect this relationship again, because this person wants to give you stability in this connection again, and this person is taking action. Or maybe there are two persons are coming to there are two person wants to build a connection with you. So two people from your past are coming back towards you. So this is your choice whom you have to choose in for your future. Or maybe it's a one person with two traits. Here this person wants to give you stability, as well as they are very much passionate for you, or they are just not telling you that they want to give you stability. They are doing actions for this. So they are this time very much mature in this their feelings, because these are kings. So this person really want you in their life. They really want to build this connection and resurrect this connection again. So maybe this can be your energy, this can be your person's energy. Your person is coming towards you with the offer which is stable, and this is slow coming, but this is coming towards you. Maybe this person wants to talk to you. If you people were not in a contact before, now this person wants to talk to you. They want to clear out all misunderstanding, and they are very much passionate, like they are very much hurry. They are doing hurry. They want to resolve all matter quickly. So this is the situation. After this communication, and after this if this person asks you to get back together with them, so this person wants to first clear out all misunderstanding. If they had misunderstanding about you, this person wants to clear out all misunderstanding. And because this person feels soulmate connection with you. If your relationship were not uh, good was not good, and before your relationship was dead, but you people were connecting to a soul level, because of this soulmate connection, because of this soul connection, your person wants to build this relationship again. This person wants to resurrect this connection again. That's why this person is coming towards you. And if all the misunderstanding will clear, if will after clearing all the misunderstanding, this person will build a mutual collaborating connection. This person will bring a balance in this connection back. um, I'm seeing that balancing is coming in this connection, whether it's a emotional balance, whether it's a um, practical practically involving situation. Like if this person was were not involving practically in this connection, now this person wants to build this connection on a mutual level, mutual collaboration, or this person wants to give you whatever you need in this connection. This person wants to give you. If this is your situation, before you were not giving in this connection, now you are ready to give in this connection with generosity. Your person showing balance and generosity in this connection again. So balance is coming. Your relationship is building again after clearing some little misunderstandings in this connection. Your connection is building on a good note. So Aries, that was your reading. If it resonates you, Please let me confirm in the comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.